A call this evening. Member of Parliament for East Central St. Catherine, Terrelonge, is expressing disappointment with the National Works Agency NWA for not moving fast enough in repairing roadways across Portmore. Details in this report.
On Wednesday, scores of taxi operators who ply the Gregory Park route withdrew their services in protest against bad road conditions.
People can't even get a turn off because I want them with the low car. No turn off can't go on. As by struck motor and them thing that they mash up back in the road. Look how them thing that big over there, sir.
Go ahead and patch the road with self father. It mash up back, we do it again, it mash up back. We need some assistance running man, it's a causeway.
Member of Parliament for East Central St. Catherine, Terrelonge, says for the past 7 months he has been making representation. However, nothing has been done.
This is the worst that the roads across East Central have been in the last decade. Now, for the past 7 months, I've been making representations to the heads of the National Work Agency, pleading with them, begging them to fix the roads across East Central. You know, from you get off the 95, going across Christian Penn, right there in front of the clinic, going across the Cedar Grove Academy, going across Newlands Main Road. I mean, listen, going down into Grange Lane, the roads have just been in a deplorable state for the past 7 months.
He told residents funds were diverted in response to Hurricane Melissa.
Of course, you know, as a government, we've had to divert more than $67 billion, you know, to fix the areas across Western Jamaica that were ravaged by Hurricane Melissa. So residents have been very patient and they understood that. I was advised by the representatives of NWA, including the minister, that as soon as the budget has been read and we now would have the budgetary allocations, then funds would be deployed to fix the road. Now, the budget has been read, but again, the roads still have not been repaired.
Road work is currently being conducted along Municipal Boulevard to Helsha. We contacted a communication manager of NWA, Stephen Shaw, who confirmed that he is aware of the situation. He said his team has done estimates and the procurement process for works has commenced. He added that work will be done along the corridor as soon as the process is complete. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.